If you feel burning in your feet, tingling in your hands, or pain that prevents you from even sleeping, stay with me until the end of this video.
Hi, my name is Mark.
I spent years dealing with nerve pain, mainly in my legs and feet. The feeling was like constant electricity, and the doctors only offered me medications that made me even worse. That's when I discovered Arialief, a natural supplement that promised to relieve pain without causing side effects.
Honestly,
I didn't expect much, but I decided to give it a try. Arialief has a formula with Alpha Lipoic Acid, Magnesium Glycinate, CoQ10, and butcher's broom. These are ingredients that help with nerve health, circulation, and inflammation. Exactly where the problem starts. In the first 7 days, I already felt improvement. And in 3 weeks, my body felt like a different one. Today I can sleep, walk, work, without pain, without tingling, and without fear of waking up worse. And there is still a 180-day guarantee. If it doesn't work for you, they will refund every penny. If you are tired of living with pain, as I was, click the link in the first comment, see the ingredients, and try Arialief today. You deserve to truly feel relief.